Hey, what's going on, traders? Just did OAS on the news last night on oil. This is a petroleum company in 25,000 shares. Right now, I have a limit order to sell at 346 because there's a little resistance right here, you guys. I just want to play it safe because it's a big amount of shares. I just had like 5,000. I had like 30,000 some, and then I sold some. I sold some right here at the break of VWAP. I just have a limit order at 346. Just want to be a little patient. Want to see if the limit order kicks in so far. Watching times and sales. Markets a little down today. So oil should be going up. There was a bomb last night. Killed somebody, some terrorist in Iran. So oil prices are going up this morning. So I did buy OAS. It's a petroleum company. It is a penny stock, but it was a good dip buy, you guys. Same strategy. Here we go. 1 minute away from my fill. Should be getting filled really soon right here. Just has to pass. It has to pass 2 more pennies. Has to pass 346. I might take off. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. Should be going up right now. Should be going up 1 more penny to get filled. I should be going up 1 more penny. Just sold 1,000 shares just in case, you guys. Locking in a little profits. Sold 1,000 shares on the market. Still have 20,000 shares on the level 2 on the limit orders. It has to go a couple more pennies. So far, we have a little supply at 345, you guys. Maybe I should have put my limit order at 345, but I still have a little support right here, and I have the 9 EMA, and I have VWAP right here. Let's see if they hold us up for a minute. We just got to move up a couple more pennies, you guys. Just took off another 1,000 shares just in case, you guys. Still have the 20,000 on the level 2 because I'm seeing a lot of supply up there. Just in case, you guys, you know, even if we give some back, we're focused on risk. I'm going to stick to my plan. Now this thing's bottoming. Let's see if the 340 level holds up. Watching the level 2, you guys. We had some supply at 345 last time. We have to get through the 345 area, so we need a few more bidders to come in, step it up above the 345 area, 346 area. So far, we have some shorts that just came in. Hopefully, they'll start covering right now. Hopefully, it'll be a little bear trap, add a little momentum. We do have some bidders stepping it up, but we still have a little supply. I should be getting filled if this thing keeps going. We just have, you guys see these sellers every time it comes to the 9 EMA to this area. We have a lot of sellers over there. So I'm still going to give it a couple minutes, you guys. I'm going to try to be patient today. Let's see if it goes with us today or if it goes against us. See all that supply, you guys, at the 9. Just took off another 1,000 shares, you guys, just in case, you guys, because we're having problems at the 9. Still have the limit order at 346 for 20,000 shares. I have 22,000 shares. Just focusing on risk, downsizing risk, taking off risk just in case. There's a lot of supply up there right now. Let's see if these guys get squeezed or not, if they try to take it back down. To me, I think it's still going to test 346, 347, 348. I could be wrong. Look at all the supply that keeps coming, you guys. So they keep trying to attack this thing. I'm just going to play it safe, just in case. Here we go. Here's a little squeeze. Here come the guys. We had some hidden buyers at VWAP, you guys. We had some hidden buyers at VWAP. Couple more pennies for me to get filled. Have to test this resistance right here. Have to test this resistance right here and crack it. We have to get through right here for me to get filled. Volume came a little bit. Here comes back. Here come the sellers again, you guys, at 345 area. Gotta give it a few minutes because I do see some good volume on our side and some good buyers coming in on our side. Came in on the volume right here. So there was a lot of hidden buyers at VWAP, so I'm gonna be a little patient. Couple more minutes. Wait on the next candle. See if we just need a higher high right here. Let's see if we can get it. They tried to dump it, you guys. They tried. Here we go. Just got filled, you guys. Just got filled. 20,000 shares. Set on the level 2. Got filled. Got filled. Gonna see if it tests 348, 349, 350. I don't want to be here for too long today, you guys, so I'm not going to be here for too long. Hopefully it won't be too long of a trade. Just want to see if this thing gives us another higher high right here, if we get some more pressure. See all the sellers, you guys, up there? See, you guys, all the sellers right there? They have to keep it up below this, because above this, a lot of them will be underwater. So their job right now is to keep it below 347. So let's see what happens. Or they know them and all their other buddies, their short buddies, will be underwater. Here we go, you guys. Hopefully they'll start covering. We have some more buyers coming in, buying up the oil. Buying up the oil, you guys. This is why I tell you guys, pay attention to the news, how you can make money on news. I was watching the news like at 3 in the morning, seeing the attack. I was like, okay, oil prices are probably going to go crazy tomorrow. Let me find a decent oil stock. Something cheap, something I know that could spike on a good dip. I found OAS this morning, and bam, you guys, this is what happens. Plan the trade the plan. You guys gonna take off 1,000 shares just in case, you guys. Bam, took off 1,000 shares just in case we have problems at resistance right here. You know what I tell you guys? Lock in profits, lock in profits, lock in profits, just in case. Even if this thing goes to $4, you know, we don't want. At least we capture some of it, you guys. You know what I mean? So now I'm going to have another 500 shares sitting on the level 2. On the market. This thing got a high flow, so it doesn't squeeze too fast. I don't want the video to be too long, you guys. So another great day. Another good day in trading, you guys. I've been killing it, not to brag, but I've been killing it on the dip buying lately. I've been using the same strategy over and over and over and over out of my past let me see, I have my stats right here. Out of my past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 So this makes the 14th trade, but out the last 13 trades, I got 3 wrong and 10 right. So I got 10 right trades and 3 losses. 10 wins and 3 losses. With this one, it'll be 11 wins and 3 losses. So probably like a 75% win rate so far. In the past couple, like in the past month, here we go. We got some more supply up there. They're attacking it. That's why I tell you guys, plan the trade the plan, stick to the same risk reward over and over and over and over and again. Right now we kind of have an ascending breakout. Let's see if it fails or if it breaks out. We have an ascending triangle right here at the breakout point. Let's see if they push it up. Took off 300 shares, you guys. Still having problems at 350, just in case. Still might break. I'm just locking profits in, you guys, as we go along, you guys. Just take money off the table. Take the money off the table. Put the money in your pocket as you're going along. They call it in the book, they call it extracting money from the market as you go along. If you ever, guys, want to read a good book, it's called Trading for a Living. Okay, so right now we don't have too many buyers at 350, but we do have some buyers at 350. So our breakout point today, you guys, is 352. So I'm going to be patient with the last few hundred shares to see if we break the 352 area. A lot of guys are going to be underwater, you guys. In trading, you guys got to think about, okay, where are people going to be in pain at? Everybody who shorted today at 352, their pain levels, they're going to start being in pain if this thing cracks 352. So if I was a short, I'm going to be like, okay, I'm going to keep adding and adding. And you know what? They might even keep adding. See, look at, now they attack. They attack the 350 area, you guys. So if I was a short, I'll be adding and adding and be like, okay, if it takes keep going against me, if I'm underwater, right here, some of them don't add. Some of them just take the loss. Some of them are computers, algos. They just do it automatically. Just because they're algos don't mean they're right all the time, you guys. They take losses too, the algos. They're in and out for like a penny or two a lot of times. Still having problems at 350, you guys. I still have a feeling this is gonna squeeze. On the bigger picture, you guys, if I show you, see, now we're breaking the 352 area. But let me show you the bigger picture, you guys. On the bigger picture, just had a nice little, a nice daily picture, a nice breakout. A nice ascending triangle right here. Nice gap to fill strategy. A nice trend on the way up. A lot of stuff matched up, you guys. What I always tell you guys, like, don't go against the bigger trend. Try to match up multiple time frames. Look at tested 352 and coming right back down again. Let's see if they try to hold it. I kind of missed that, showing the daily picture, but it's okay. Let's see. A lot of supply up there at 352. A lot of supply, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Unreal. Let's see. Let's sell some of the shares, you guys, just in case. Just in case. I'm gonna give it a minute. See what happens right here. See if they wow. Let's see if they try to hold it up. This is my risk right here, you guys. Let's see if it stays above my risk area. Just took off, you guys, 400 shares because it cracked my risk area. Excuse me. Let's see if they try to hold it above our next area. Our next area is right here, is our new risk, you guys. So with the last 300 shares, let's see if it holds. Where old support, old resistance broke out, we want to see if it becomes new support. So I only have 300 shares left, you guys. Too much supply, you guys. That's why I tell you guys, pay attention always to the times and sales. It'll help you a lot. And the volume, look at the sellers coming in. And you guys seen the volume? You guys should go back and rewind this and watch that like a couple times, so you can get the hang of it. See what happens when a lot of supplies at an area. See, we match this and this and this all together, and then what do we get? We get times and sales plus the chart plus the level 2 equals a drop. It's like I said on the last video, like a puzzle that we're trying to just put together. But we're still watching for people might be on the sidelines. Like, look at now, there's a big wall of buyers right here at 347. Let's see if they hold it up or not. Excuse me. I think I'm not going to add on, you guys, because I just want to be done already. But this looks like it might holding the trend, but I don't want to add or nothing. I just want to be out the trade. I don't want this trade to take too long. I just want to see if it holds the 347 area. We have the 9 above us. Let's see if they crack the 9 right now. If it stays below the 9, looks like they're going to slam it below the 9. The only thing that's holding it up right now is these buyers right here, you guys. But we have a lot of sellers, so I might get the hell out. Excuse my French. I gotta chill out on the cursing. YouTube got the children's thing now. So let's see what happens right here, you guys. Finger on the trigger. I don't really go in the chat room too much, you guys. I just try to stay like in my own zone. It'd be a lot of I ain't trying to put like the chat room down, but just a lot of noise running around. Everybody's following everybody and chasing a million stocks, and everybody's calling out different plays, and I'd rather stay in my own zone. So watching this again. You guys see all the sellers right here? Like, look at the sellers. They don't compare to the buyers. Like, this took place off this is weakness right here. Look at 4,700, 1,300, 2,000. We have one decent buyer at 9,000 shares. But still, look at the rest is small size. That's probably like little algos. And let's see. Looks like it might be building up here. Looks like it might be a fake out. Okay, we just added another 300 shares, you guys. Just waited on the resistance. I know I said I didn't want to add, but I just waited on the reaction. Just trying to stick to my plan right here. So I'm going to have 400 shares up here. And we are going to try to take profits. Let's see if 350 tests again. My average cost is 344. Just want to see the test of 350. We do have some decent buyers at 348. Let's see if they step it up on the level 2. If not, I'll take off the 400 shares, you guys. Right now, we're trying to get above the 350, 352 area still. The only thing we have in our way is 350 and the 9 EMA. We need volume and we need a better level 2 to come in. See, they're stuffing it again, you guys. Now it's slowing down. Let's check on the market. Let's see what's going on with the market. Market's still kind of in the red. A little slow in the market. A little slow. What's going on with the volume here? Slowing down. We got big sellers at 349, you guys. Big sellers at 349. Don't want to be tricked out though. Let's see if we can get through them. Nope. Huge sellers. Huge sellers. Huge sellers at 348, you guys. If they can get through them, this thing can go. But if they can't get through them, this thing's going to go down to VWAP and possibly test 340. That's all my fingers on the trigger. Just going to watch it. Let's see if we have hidden buyers right here. Here come the buyers back in at 347. Let's see if they get it above the 9. Volume is weak, you guys, right now. Volume is weakening. We do have a little flag right here, you guys. We do have a little flag on the 1 minute. Caught that right there. So that hopefully that flag will give us some more buyers to come in. We have a few buyers coming in. Sellers are still trying to protect the 9. Added 400 shares, you guys. Added 400 shares. Want to hold 1,000 hopefully for the break of 350, 352. Probably try to get rid of 500 if it goes that way. If it goes against me, I'll get rid of 500 here and the rest 500 below here. Might give a little back, but I'm willing to risk a little bit, you guys, on the flag formation. Hopefully this thing breaks. Let's see what happens right here, you guys. When you guys see volume white, that's like so far it's even. We got big sellers right here. We got big sellers still at 349. Here comes, they're going to try to dump it, you guys. They're going to try to dump it. $348, we have a wall at 348, 347 on the seller side. Gonna stick to the risk here, you guys. Watching the reaction. Want to see if this old resistance becomes new support. VWAP right here, we do have really good support and resistance. We don't know if there's going to be a lot of supply there or not, but we have support really well right here and VWAP. So if it's going to bounce anywhere, it's going to bounce there, and that's our risk area. Here's a test of VWAP, ladies and gentlemen. We have some supply right there. They're going to try to slam VWAP right here. They're going to try to slam it. Let's see if we have hidden buyers at VWAP. Level 2 is ugly, not on our side right now. Let's see if they try to hold VWAP. We just want to see if they try to hold VWAP right here. We have some buyers coming in at VWAP. The thing is, we have this as resistance now, and we have the 9 EMA. The flag pattern failed on us, you guys. That's why technical analysis, I tell you guys, doesn't work all of the time. But we're going to see if it reacts right here. Right here we have VWAP, right over here we have the 9. We don't want to see a crossover going down right now. We want to see a crossover going up. Let's see. Gonna have our finger right here ready just in case, you guys. Our risk area on the 500 is VWAP. The other 500 is right here. Okay, big sellers coming in. Big sellers. Watch the times and sales. See if we're going to have hidden buyers or not. Okay, took out 500 shares, you guys, just in case. I see a crossover coming. Hopefully it doesn't crash on us. Let's see if it reacts good. Giving back a little bit, but it's okay, you guys. It's okay. Still having a good, still a decent trade. Not too much down below our average costs. My average cost is like right here, 346. But what do I always tell you guys? Focus on risk. Even if we give a little back, we lock in either all of it or most of it. I was thinking about holding a couple for like a couple days, like a couple hundred shares for a couple days, but maybe just a little bit. But it doesn't say it in my plan, you guys, but I like the longer term chart. We do have a gap to fill to like 421 at least. Here we go. Here comes the crossover, you guys. Let's see if VWAP points down. A lot of supply. A lot of supply. This is our next risk area. We'll cut the trade if it goes against us right here. You guys can see I'm not a perfect trader. If I was a perfect trader, I would have took all my profits right here and shorted right here. But we just try to see what happens and try to react and do the best we can and try to take them like the most, not the most, but try to get your goal, your daily goal, the most money you can and get out. I kind of overstayed my welcome today. I usually do that, but I don't know. I like making videos too and looking at it and just watching it. Sometimes I have a little patience explaining it to you guys. I could learn, you guys could learn. Subscribe to the channel, you guys, for 2020. Email coaching sessions. If anybody wants one-on-one coaching session, I will give you a free consultation, free first coaching session on me. Email mytradecoach23@gmail.com, you guys. Let's see what happens right here. We're going to test VWAP again, hopefully. The problem is, look at the level 2, you guys. Look at all the sellers right here. So, I don't know. I'm not liking this thing. Not liking the rest. Let's see how it reacts right here. You guys know, like, I'm not, like, the kind of stocks I like is move faster than these, you guys. That's why I tell you guys, match, like, trading to your personality. Find stocks that fit you. Find trading style that fits you. Because me, I'm, like, impatient. So, slow stocks don't really work for me. Even though sometimes I do good on them. But they kind of really don't work for me. Like, I don't know, but this thing is looking decent on the pattern. The problem is the volume's light. The level 2's okay, but the times and sales is ugly. Oh, I was gonna add right there, but it's not in my plan, you guys. So then we have a lot of supply. I don't know what's going on right here. We have a lot of supply. If this thing, now we have a lot of resistance above us. So I only have 500 shares left. Gonna stick to the risk right here. Sometimes you have to be a little patient, you guys. Sometimes, like, I just cut my patience off and just take it off. Even though it's in my plan, like my plan was okay, hold 500 shares with the rest of it just to see if it breaks out, right? But if it doesn't break out in my time frame, I'll just get rid of it. I'm not gonna keep waiting until 3 p.m. because then I have, like, let's say other trades that I missed. Excuse me. Look at all the supply right there, you guys. We need more buyers to come in. A lot of sellers in oil. All these guys that have been holding from $2, $2.80, $3, they're taking their profits, you guys. They're locking it in, so we're gonna have a lot of profit takers. Just want to look at something else real fast, you guys. Want to look at the SPY real fast, see what the market's doing. Market's going back up. When the market goes back up, you guys, oil kind of goes down. Usually when markets go down, people buy oil and gold. Last night we had news that some America bombed, killed the Iranian dude, so China and all that had some say so about it, and like oil, I know oil is gonna go up just like the last time we had the bombing over there in Saudi Arabia. They had a bombing, oil went up the next day. So you gotta wake up early, you guys, see what's going on, plan the trade the plan as usual. We're still at 345 on this one, you guys. Still at 345. Trying to be patient, it's not working. Level 2 still looks ugly. Still holding, we still have the 9 and VWAP below us. Just want to see a quick squeeze, not happening. Here we go, a lot of sellers coming back in. Here we go, you guys, look at all them sellers. Look at all them guys, you guys. This is our risk area right here, this line. To me, like, I shouldn't hold it even, but I don't want to change it because you never know. Just like this could happen. We could have some hidden buyers, like all these guys that just smacked the market right here. The problem is, look at the supply right here. Watching times and sales, you guys, and level 2. So far it's going good. The candles are looking okay. It's decent pattern right here. Right here you're gonna really see a lot of stop losses go off if we get above this area. Gotta get through all that supply right there. Had a couple stop losses go off right there. Still got a lot of supply at 345, you guys. Again, we gotta get through all these guys right here. Want to watch it closely right here, you guys. We got 9, we have VWAP, we have support, so we have some buyers on the level 2. We need volume, and we need some shorts to start covering. We need this to speed up, we need this to get bigger on the green. Here we go. And we need it to start cracking, start rolling, you guys. I just want to give it a couple more minutes, just in case. Here we go. We finally got some buyers coming back in. Now we have some supply at 346. That's why we held 500 shares, you guys, just to wait for the reaction. Rule number 1, focus on risk. Rule number 2, have a little patience. One of our rules, not in exact order, but you guys always hear my rules. Rule number 1, focus on risk, focus on risk, focus on risk. I always say that. My other rules, always lock in profits, lock in profits, lock in profits. So we're locking in profits, focus on risk. Our trend line kind of held, you guys. What do we say? The trend is your friend till the end, right? Let's see what happens here. We still have resistance above us. I want these shorts to get squeezed. Need a big volume bar to come in. Need some big volume on the green side. Hopefully cross 200,000. Hopefully cross all this. The 90 EMA is still holding us up, you guys. Make this a different color. You guys could see that. Have some supply right now at 347. We got a decent wall at 346 still, trying to uptick. Finally trying to break the 348 area. What I just say, you guys, one of our rules is what? Lock in profits, right? And have a little patience. So I'm going to lock in a little bit, but I still want to have a little patience for this little area right here because the level 2 is still on our side. Waiting for a little volume to come in. The trend's going in our way so far. So let's see. We got a lot of sellers coming back in. Let's see if they try to hold it above there. A lot of sellers at 347. Hidden buyers right there, you guys. A few hidden buyers. Gonna wait for one more 1 minute candle to form. This thing is still holding the 9 area. We need bidders to step it up past the 348 area. Usually I'll lock it in right here, you guys. I just want 1 more minute to candle to form. To see if this thing holds the 9 on the next minute. Watch the supply, you guys. Down tick to 346. There we go. Hidden buyers on the sideline. Big buyer right there. 11,000 shares, 2,000 shares, 1,300 shares. Trying to break this area. Just took off 300 shares, you guys. Just in case the area doesn't break. Just in case. Playing it safe. 200 shares left. Let's give it a last... Let's give it the last 200 shares a couple minutes, you guys, just for the video won't be too long. Just want to see a little break out of this area so these guys could start covering, so some volume could come in and some big size could come in. Shorts usually have big size, you guys. So I want them to cover to push this thing up. If it gets above here. And here. Especially above here. But if it doesn't happen within my time limit, I'm going to get out, you guys. Because this has been long enough. I study my performance and my track. And the longer I'm in a trade, the more than 20-30 minutes, you guys. Sometimes it'll be good for me if I leave like 100 shares on the table or nothing on. I'm not even gonna do it today because I don't like all that supply in there. I was gonna swing trade like a little bit, but just a lot of supply right there. I have a feeling this thing could test $3 again in the next couple days if it bounces off 4. So let's see if they we have some more buyers push it above. We just have to get above 348, 349 right now, 350, and then this is the high of the day, 352. We have a little ascending triangle right here. A little ascending triangle. Let's see. Let's see if volume comes in on this move, you guys. Here, you just got below the 9. Just got below the 9. Let's see if they try to push it down again. There we go. Buyer's still on the level 2. Trying to hold it. Flat top. Hopefully we get a flat top ascending triangle breakout right here. There'll be a lot of pressure if this thing breaks right here. No volume coming in though, you guys. No volume. Need some better volume to come in. I'm gone, you guys. I am gone. We're gonna lock in profits. Too much supply right there. Plan to trade. Trade the plan. $2,101, you guys. Please leave a like on my video, you guys. Smash that like. Subscribe to my channel. Questions, comments, you already know, you guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.